Welcome to the enchanted world of organization. Join us on a magical journey as we unveil the secrets of tidying up. Step 1. Envision the dream. Picture your ideal space. Envision a harmonious sanctuary where everything has a place and every item sparks joy. Step 2. Summon the sorting spell. And thus, with a sprinkle of magic, you have unlocked the secrets of organization. May your world always be filled with enchantment and order. Step 3. Conjure storage solutions. Harness the magic of storage solutions. Summon floating shelves, enchanted bins, and mystical organizers to maximize space. Step 4. Spellbinding systems. Craft spellbinding systems. Enchant labels, charms, and routines to maintain order effortlessly. Step 5. Sustain the sorcery. Uphold the magic daily. Cast a maintenance spell to preserve the enchantment and banish chaos for good. And thus, with a sprinkle of magic, you have unlocked the secrets of organization. May your world always be filled with enchantment and order.